अमर सिंह टिsso कहाँ बैठे?
श्री अमर सिंह जी,
वो ऐसे पीछे खड़े हैं।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया है, इसलिए मेरी तरफ से आपको करदम जुथाई नमस्कार। I raise to thank Her Excellency the President of India for her wonderful speech and her grace in mentioning the historic achievement of the nation under the great leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji. The BJP government under Modi ji leadership have brought people of all community together, and the people of Northeast have reaped a greatest benefit. Today, the people of Northeast are feeling proud to be citizen of India, and the successionist force that thrived under the previous Congress regime no longer attract the imagination of our youth. It is a historic achievement of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji to end all form of insurgency in the hill area of Assam, which I represent. I urge everyone here to give chance to development of the tribal people also. Allowed our Prime Minister to fulfill the program and commitment of the BJP in the Northeast, one of which has been in relation with the demand of the hill tribes of Assam for implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India. Exemption from appearing in exemption from appearing in MIL in UPSC exam. Upgradation of Central University City Diffu campus to full-fledged university. MOU, MOS1, MOS2 are written commitment of Government of India, and this must be fulfilled without any delay. Here the unimplemented clauses should be highlighted emphatically for immediate solution. The issue of 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2019 should also be taken care of. Memorandum Settlement 2, as the bill in the present form has not covered certain important vital clauses of MOS2. A special provision in the 6th schedule exclusively for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the Mahasab Autonomous Council and other original 6th schedule council in respect to responsibility of governor should be provided in the provision of 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill, so that he is exclusively advised by the Autonomous Council in matter under the jurisdiction of 6th schedule. I am sure this long-standing demand of my people will also be delivered by this great government under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and we will be delighted to hear its announcement sooner than later by our great President, the Honorable Madam Draupadi Murmu herself during her next address to the Parliament. As tribal people, we have been hugely inspired by the election of the tribal lady to the highest office of the country, which has been made possible only because our Prime Minister leadership has deep love for the nation, tribal people. We feel immensely proud whenever the Honorable Madam President addresses the nation, particularly the Parliament. So it is a matter of great distress for us when somebody disrespects her by calling her means and hateful words like bichari. So such comments are crime against the tribal people in Parliament. So learn to respect, honor SC, ST, OBC. We are also the son of the soil. आप लोग देखिए, मोदी जी से आप लोग सीखिए। here upliftment for 5 crores people from tribal community with an allotment of 80,000 crores rupees for this initiative. आप लोग सीखिए, आप लोग ने नोटिस को क्या दिया है? Before 10 years you have given us, क्या हम लोग को दिया है? आप लोग ने दिया है कि arrest, jail, encounter. आप लोग ने दिया है all northeast area. All northeast area you have declared a disturbed area, and you have imposed Armed Force Special Power Act, the power to shoot a person without the authority order. Say, आप लोग. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I raise to support the motion of.